Have you ever needed to move something big, like furniture or even your whole house, but didn't have the right vehicle? That's where U-Haul comes in. Think of U-Haul as your go-to friend for DIY moving. They rent out a wide range of moving trucks, from small vans perfect for an apartment to huge trucks for a 5-bedroom house. Plus, they have trailers for towing cars or extra belongings. But U-Haul is more than just trucks. They also offer self-storage units if you need a temporary spot for your stuff. And they sell all the moving supplies you could ever need: boxes, tape, bubble wrap, and even moving blankets. What makes U-Haul so popular? It's their convenience. You can pick up a truck in one city and drop it off in another, making long-distance moves much easier. It's designed for people who want to handle their move themselves, saving money on professional movers. So, whether you're moving across town, across the country, or just need to haul something big, U-Haul provides the vehicles, supplies, and services to help you get the job done right. It's all about empowering you to move on your own terms. Subscribe for more fun facts.